Is Base44 the best app builder of 2026? Today we are diving into Base44, its pros, cons, pricing, and whether it's worth your time. Let's get into it. What is Base44? Base44 is a no-code app builder that lets you create mobile and web apps without writing code. It targets startups, small businesses, and creators who want polished apps fast. Key features: drag and drop editor, easy user interface builder with visual components, pre-built templates, save div time, database plus backend tools, manage data users and logic integrations, connect with APIs, payments, and notifications, multi-platform export, publish to iOS, Android, or web, collaboration tools, team sharing, and version history. Pros: fast prototyping from idea to working app in hours, not weeks. No coding required. Great for non developers. Intuitive user interface with smart defaults. Feature rich for the price. Most features you would expect even in paid tiers. Template ecosystem saves time and gives design direction. Solid performance. Apps are relatively smooth and responsive. And when talking about the cons, limited custom code. If you really need custom functionality, Base44 can feel restrictive. Learning curve on advanced features. Drag and drop is easy, but workflows and logic can get confusing. Platform limitations, not as powerful as full dev frameworks like Flutter or React Native. Ecosystem lock in. Moving your app out of Base44 to another platform isn't seamless. Pricing. Pricing tiers are generally free with the starter pack, basic builder access, the pro one, more templates, integrations, and storage, business, team features, priority support, and advanced exports. And finally, we have the enterprise, custom SLAs, and dedicated support. Most users will need at least the pro tier to launch a real app. How it stacks up. Versus Glide Adalo, faster builds better templates. Versus Bubble, less flexible logic and database power. Versus Flutterflow, simple user interface, but less custom control. Base44 shines for speed and ease, but not for deep customization. Who it is best for? Best choice if you are a non-developer or small team, need an MVP quickly, if you are building business tools or simple mobile apps. Not ideal if you need complex logic, full custom development, long-term scale beyond no code. Final verdict. Is Base44 the best app builder in 2026? Short answer, it is one of the best of no code creators and small teams, but not the best overall if you need full developer power. Recommended if you want speed plus simplicity. Consider alternatives for heavy customization. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me down below in the comments whether you have tried Base 44 or not. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.